kind of ate your chicken sandwich, but I mean the cheeseburger. I took a piece of it.
What are you talking about?
Like I took a piece of it.
What you talking about?
You need help with taking so long.
Hey, you can have it though. I took a piece of it.
Why?
Because I was fake hungry.
What's happening?
You said you took a bite of my cheeseburger.
Are you fucking
Yeah, my fault. It's cool though, Pat. Yeah.
Let me eat it. Let me eat it.
No, don't eat. No. I'm not pushing. Yeah, but if you want it, you can still hear. You can have it.
I guess he was hungry. He ate that shit.
ghetto ass shit? Come on, babe. No, seriously. I'm just gonna do it right now.
Yeah.
Monkeypox shit. No fucking.
Hey, look. But the bag
You
is
just
still.
have it in my jaw? No, fucking with this shit. Nah, bro. I'm not.
Thank y'all.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flexo, aka Mr. Set the Tone. And we back with the bullshit, and the bullshit never stop. And we got the guys sitting there. Gang. So far we're gonna do part 2 to this video. Uber Eats, eating people food. Right now, so far we got one little customer about to go get some Baskin Robbins. So once we get there, I'll be right back and get this video started.
Nah, you gotta be on feet.
We're here.
Mozo here.
Mozo here, gang here. Trying to do this first video. Right now we're just picking up the order. Feel me?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Yo, we gonna go viral one of these days. I know Consistent Flex is here. Videos after videos after videos. Videos don't stop.
Drop the rigs.
Niggas just dropping the rakes.
I'm ordering no dash. I want to pound up.
What did they get?
Can't tell you shit.
What did they get?
Oh yeah.
You got a mint chocolate chip.
A milkshake. Shit.
We gotta get that again. Yeah.
Damn, that's 11.
Alright, YouTube. So far, they got like a freaking mint shake bullshit. So I got the same thing, cause you know we ain't really.
We the Zoes, nigga.
We the Zoes. You already see what's going on, but.
Then your order.
Oh, okay. You can leave it on the porch, please.
I got you.
Thank you.
Wait, this too, right?
I just ordered, so I asked my son or my daughter to find out. But you can leave it on the porch. No, baby both ordered. Alright, I'm gonna get it.
I don't know if this tastes good, but I'm trying to try it. That food tastes nasty.
I'm sorry, which is it?
Both of them. But this one tastes nasty.
Okay, so here.
Wait, say it again?
Okay.
You gonna get him? Wait, alright. This tastes nasty though. What type of shit? Yo, so your order tastes nasty. Ma'am, your food. Come get it. I guess. I'll be waiting. They telling me I gotta wait. Okay, I guess. Shit, that's the big nigga. Yeah.
Yeah, you can just leave it on the porch.
Alright.
Yeah. Why are you drinking it though?
I was trying to taste it.
Nah, you shouldn't be tasting people's food. Alright, just
Why not?
just leave it. Just go ahead. Go ahead.
For real?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I take my food with me?
No, you can leave the food there.
No, but like I drunk half of it already.
Okay, so take the food that you ate. That's fine. Take
For
it.
real? Nah, I'm messing with that. It's a prank. That's mine, but y'all food right here though.
Oh, okay. That's
Like when you picked it up.
Location number 2. First order went successful. Now we're doing the second order. No, we just go straight up there, right?
Wendy's, how can I take your order?
Oh, I like that.
Blue face, baby. Yeah. Alright.
YouTube, I got a girlfriend though. Chill out.
Smart. You loyal.
Okay, we got a little shorty. She jacked my boy. You know she jacked us up. She jacking us up. They both came through my boy.
Jasmine. I should have Wendy's, man. I should have
Well, I'll be the first.
Say it again? You said pull over?
December.
Alright, YouTube, look, we almost at the location. We got the Wendy's. We here. Everybody's here. We got all the food. A lot's going on. We about to go to the second location. Shout out Jasmine T. For me. we got a good one coming to you.
What's the name?
Jasmine T.
Jasmine T.
Right here. We're not gonna show too much details, but it's Jasmine T. Jasmine T. When you watch this video, just know we got you. Right?
Oh shit. Beat it up.
Oh shit.
Oh yo. Swear.
Alright, we're back. But I'm just showing y'all the food, just letting y'all know that it's about to go down. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you can do that already.
If I got this one?
In the comments,
Spam
Flexo.
Yeah, baby.
Fire emoji.
Fire emoji, nigga.
Fire emoji.
I'm ready for this shit. Yo, see what you Yo, this shit is chicken, bro. Press the cheese, press the cheese.
It don't matter.
Press the cheese.
It don't matter.
Press the
It don't
cheese.
matter what it is.
Oh, alright, yo. Press. Yo, I kinda ate your chicken sandwich, but not me, the cheeseburger. I took a piece of it.
What are you talking about?
Like, I took a piece of it.
What you talking about?
You need help with taking so long.
Hey, you can have it though. I took a piece of it. Because I was fake hungry.
What's happening?
Say you took a bite of my cheeseburger.
Are you fucking
Yeah, my fault. It's cool though, Pat. Yeah.
Let me eat it. Give me, let me eat it.
No, don't eat. No, push. Yeah, but if you want it, you can still hear. You can have it.
I guess he was hungry. He ate that shit.
ghetto ass shit? Come on, babe. No, seriously. I'm just gonna do it right now.
Yeah. Yo, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Nah, bro, no.
I'm joking here.
Where's our drinks? Where's the
Let your drinks here. Let your drinks here, dude.
Nah, listen.
Rating.
Nah, it's a prank. It's a YouTube prank. Like, we buy separate food and then like we
This
eat
is
it for the
funny?
people that
This ain't funny?
Oh, that's y'all?
Yeah.
Oh, that's y'all.
Yeah, we do that.
Go ahead,
We do that.
That's y'all.
And we touch our food, like we just put it down from there.
Oh, that's y'all.
Monkeypox shit. No fucking.
Nah, we ain't do that.
I don't like that.
Nah, we ain't touching that.
Where's the
Check.
drink? I paid for
Look,
it.
look.
Where's the
The
drink?
bag is sealed and loaded.
There's supposed to be another one. It's Sprite. Yeah.
Bro, I'm not.
Babe,
Yeah,
go,
look.
babe.
But the bag
You
is
just
sealed.
have it in my jaw? I'm fucking with this shit. Nah, bro, I'm not.
Thank y'all,
Get
thank
my
y'all,
food,
thank
get my
y'all.
fucking food.
Look.
Get my fucking- how you-
The bag is sealed. The bag is sealed.
That shit's chatting.
Show a lot that is, bro. I said it's gonna be that nigga so.
Bang.
I might have said that one.
Bang.
Bro, we could've just-
Shit.
Alright.
Babe wasn't on
I didn't
shit.
came to the car. We couldn't make
Yo,
out the shit.
no, y'all might not pass that. You might not eat the
Bang.
cheeseburger. Yeah, pass that.
So anyway.
Y'all seen that? That nigga's mad soft. Nigga mad. Babe, chill out, babe. Babe, stay going hot. Babe, chill, babe. Why babe stay going hot?
He gave it. I'm like,
Yeah.
he's like, why did you eat it?
He said for real?
I'm like,
My boy was some extra tough shit.
I was hungry.
You gotta act all tough with that.
I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I think got hungry and I started eating.
Fuck it, I'm just ordering another one.
You sure, bro?
I mean, you got the rest of the stuff in here. Is there some more shit in there? Not here. Come on, bro. Still free food. Good. I ain't go.
Yo, it's a prank. It's a prank. Yo, it's a prank. It's a prank.
bro. Your food right here, bro.
Yo, your food right there. It's a prank. Oh, bro, it's a prank. It's a prank. We ain't eat shit. It's a prank. Yo, let me.
Nah, your
Yo, it's a prank. Your food is right here.
prank. Your
Yo,
food in the
yo.
bag.
This nigga just OD.
YouTube, you know, I didn't really get, like, it won't, I don't know what just happened. The nigga did some, fuck it, I just ordered some new food. You know, we are in Elmont right now. We in Elmont, you know. They soft and shit, you know, they had fucking Long Island people, they be soft and shit. You feel me? But it was cool, whatever. You feel me? He's been inside. I don't really think I got it good recorded, but it's whatever. Fuck it. Next person. I'm gonna do like 4 more for y'all. We'll be back.
Let's hit it.
Yo, it was good, YouTube, you know. The third one, it was alright, it was cool, whatever. You know, it don't end yet. It don't end till the fat bitch starts singing. Feel me? Right now we at White Castle. Show them White Castle. We at White Castle. We got an order for. Let me see.
Oh, my first.
We got an order for Kimora.
Kimora M.
Kimora M. And
This could be a person we know.
Kimora M and Gabriella C. Got an order for those two, you feel me? So if y'all watch this, Kimora M and Gabriella C, just know you got bamboozled.
Yes, sir.
Just be somebody we know.
What you said, bro?
You got
Or
bamboozled.
could just be somebody we know. We ain't gonna make a spot. We ain't gonna make a happen.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Well, these are both of the mobile orders? What the fuck?
Wait, that's both the orders, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one is that?
That's tomorrow.
Pop.
All right, King. One more time. Pound me, King.
Have a good day.
All right, have a good day.
Let me say,
Posh.
I get the we finna bless him by saying that.
What's good, YouTube? We here. We here right now. We at some crib. I think we at Gabriella shit right now. You know. They say it's supposed to get left out the door, but you know, fuck it. Yeah, they coming. You gonna eat it? Oh, he gonna eat it. You too.
DoorDash. They didn't open the door, bro.
They say leave at door. If they say leave at door, they're not coming. I think it's a fail, guys. DoorDash. DoorDash? Did you order DoorDash?
I didn't. Wait, who are you for?
Are you here? Are you Gabriella?
Oh, yeah. That's my sister.
I just, you know, I took some of that. I don't know, that shit good.
You stole some of her food?
Nah, I ain't
No,
steal.
you just took a bite.
I took a bite, like.
Is that okay?
Is that okay?
What the hell kind of question is that?
Nah, he just want a little bite.
Don't let that dog go, son. I'm fuck with dogs. That shit good as fuck.
Huh? You
They
just.
ate some of your food. They ate some of your food. I'm not lying to you.
What do you mean?
No, we just took a little bite of your
Oh,
up.
they just took a little bite. Is what they're saying.
Oh, you're joking, right?
No.
Are you being serious?
Nah. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't like dogs, bro.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
I don't like dogs. What's her name?
What? Get the fuck out of here. What?
Chill.
Huh?
Chill.
Are you being serious?
Yes.
Or are you joking around?
I closed it. I closed the bag.
Oh, okay, don't worry. It's gonna be, I'll get my money back.
Okay.
You get 1 star.
Thank
All
you.
right,
And then
thank you.
I'm gonna take back my tip.
I appreciate it.
All right. It's a prank, man. It's a prank. It's a prank. Oh, she. Yo, YouTube, yo, don't edit. That was kind of a success. It was kind of a success a little bit. Probably can't see because he don't know how to zoom out the camera. But Flex was here, back with another banger. We're not done. We got like 2 more for y'all, so be in tune. Bow.
Oh yeah, they coming. Oh, it's a lady too. Wait. What's the name? Wait, are you Kimura?
Yeah,
You look pretty.
thank you.
Wait, like, he actually got the food, but he started eating his shit. I don't know why.
What? Eating my food?
I was trying to taste it.
Wait, what?
The chicken joint.
I don't know why. Both times
That
he
shit
was
good,
hungry.
not gonna lie.
He said it's good.
I mean,
Wait.
I need to snap.
Oh no.
Wait, come back. It tastes good.
No, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a
I
prank.
don't know no prank.
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. You ain't touch your food.
But you ain't trying to try it though? What nigga? Yo, Pop out. What you talking about? Yo, it's not a prank. We eating your food, son.
Come here.
Oh, I told him it's a prank. I was trying to
She's
make all.
going back in, bro.
I was trying to make all them come out. It's not no prank. Watch this. Watch this.
Not
Watch this.
coming out. That was not coming out no more.
It ain't done.
That was not coming out no more.
No, we did. We did. Like I said, it's a prank too early, bro.
She went in. She closed the door.
Mother.
She was fine.
Like her shit was fat,
She's
bro.
like, oh my God, you eating my food?
Yeah, she was like, you eat my
So
food.
here.
I'm like,
I'm like, what's your snap?
Three of them.
Huh?
It was three of them.
It was three of them. Looking, bro.
Yeah. And then right, the nigga over there on the phone talking about, oh, how don't make me come outside.
It's three of them. It's three of us. It's three of them.
It's three of them. It's three of us.
Oh, I'm feeling that.
Three. I don't mind three. YouTube, I don't mind three. Three of them. She faked something she was cute.
I speak to.
Alright, YouTube, we ended it so far. We made like $27 for the day. Comment below your cash app. The first comment get all this money, $27. And we're gonna do a part 2 tomorrow. You're gonna get the rest too, you feel me? Flexo's here, like I said, Flexo back with his bullshit. Mix up the tone. I'm never done. I'm only getting started. Like I said, consistent Flex is here. We're going up, alright? We're going up. I told my YouTubers, told my subscribers that we are here. My boy right here's in his bag.
That's what I'm looking at for real too.
He in his back of a bit. Look at his face. He not playing. Like, he on some real serious shit. Right now, bitch got him in his back because she keep playing with him. And when you see this video, little girl, stop playing with my mans because I'm not playing with you. Because you're not gonna be out here playing with my mans, not in front of me. You feel me? Not in front of me. Feel me? My man's not in front of me. Do that somewhere else. But stop playing with my mans. You know who you are too. When you watch this, comment below. Alright? Everybody comment below, like I said, comment Flex Squad, Zoe Squad. Zoe Squad, we're going up. Zoe.
Fire emoji, fire emoji,
alright? Going up, like I said, we're gonna make a video tomorrow too. A lot of public interviews, a lot of pranks, a lot of everything. A lot of everything be going up.
Hashtag Moberry in the comments.
Hashtag Zoe, Mozo, Buzo, Zoe.
And that's the day, cuz.
Zoe, that's the day. Wow.